Welcome to a new one. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna set up our contact us page. So if you remember previously, what we did is that we have created it inside on here, so it's there, but we didn't customize it. So there's some tweaks we need to make. We have to go and make on there. So I'm gonna click on online store. From there, we're gonna click on team and click customize, and we're gonna click on this drop down menu. We're gonna select pages and we're gonna click on the contact. You can see it says assigned to one page. So you're gonna click on that one. And this is a template that has been, previously created for us. So there's some things we need to change on there. So for the address, what you'd want to do is just put your business address in. So for me, the address is so gonna do like that. Then for email, so my email is gonna be support@vitalnest.com. And for the phone, I'm just gonna totally delete this Monday to Friday because we're online store. And for the phone number, you can, if you ideally, you would have a phone number in the store where they can reach out to you. Personally, I never do that. So yeah, we can totally delete that. Just remove the phone. We don't need it at all. So phone number, gonna click on here and delete. And follow us. We don't have social media. We do drop shipping. So we're doing paid ads on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, whatever. So we're essentially testing the products out. So it doesn't make much sense to go and create social media and grinding on those, building the followings and stuff. So I personally never use it at the early stages. Once you have a real brand up and running and you move away from dropshipping business model to white labeling that specific product, a winning one, and moving into a real brand, then it makes sense to focus on the social media. So for now, just gonna delete it. This is what it looks like on the mobile. So we do have a form, and that's it. That's how we set up the contact us page.